Arrive in style with this 2000 Lexus RX Odd. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are leather steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, cargo shade, wood grain interior trim, passenger airbag, adjustable steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, variable speed intermittent wipers, and 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.